So here we have our audio cable for the BBC microbits. The microbit can output audio tones using pin 0, as you can see here. This lead allows us then to connect this through to a 3.5mm jack socket. This can be used to connect things like headphones or an amplified speaker. To connect it to the microbit, we simply clip the black lead onto the ground connection and the red lead onto the P0 pin, or the 0 pin, as you can see here. In this example, we have the lead connected to the microbit, and here we've connected it through to an amplified speaker in this box. So now, if we program the microbit to play some tunes, they will play through this and then through the amplified speaker. So we have a little demo that's going to run through a sequence of tones. So there you go, it's as simple as that. So it's an amplified speaker using the lead connected to the microbit. If we didn't want an amplified speaker, we could use headphones. For more accessories and project ideas for the BBC microbit, please visit kitronic.co.uk.